In this video, we're diving into the top 5 best cordless screwdrivers for 2025. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast or a professional, these tools are designed to make your work easier, faster, and more efficient. If you want more information on the updated price of the product, make sure to check the product links below in the description box. So, let's get started. Number 5. DIZAINLIFE Cordless Screwdriver. The DIZAINLIFE Cordless Screwdriver is a versatile and powerful tool designed for both professionals and DIY enthusiasts. Powered by a 1300 mAh lithium battery, this screwdriver is USB rechargeable, offering convenience and portability. With a fast charging time of just 3 hours, it's ready to go whenever you are. What stands out about this tool is its adjustable torque settings. It features 4-speed torque adjustment levels, 2.5 Nm for instrument repairs, 3 Nm for model assembly, 3.5 Nm for furniture assembly, and a robust 5 Nm for more demanding tasks like plumbing and electrical installations. This makes it perfect for a variety of applications, including repairing electronics, motorbikes, and household appliances. The screwdriver offers both automatic and manual modes, making it incredibly user-friendly. In automatic mode, simply press the forward or reverse button to tighten or loosen screws, while manual mode allows for traditional hand-powered control. The forward/backward switch ensures that you can easily alternate between loosening and tightening. A built-in LED light illuminates your work area, ensuring visibility even in low light conditions. The ergonomic straight handle is designed for comfort, making it easy to control, even for extended use. Additionally, the 6.35 mm collet and 200 revolutions per minute speed provide ample power for precise tasks. In conclusion, the DIZAINLIFE cordless screwdriver is an excellent addition to any toolbox, offering great versatility, ease of use, and high performance. Number 4. DELI 667001 Cordless Screwdriver. The DELI 667001 cordless screwdriver is a powerful and versatile tool designed to handle various household tasks with ease. Powered by a 2000 mAh high-energy lithium battery, it offers long-lasting performance and quick recharging. With a built-in permanent magnet DC motor, it delivers higher overload force, greater torque, and reduced energy consumption. This screwdriver features 4-speed torque adjustment, allowing you to switch between different settings with ease. The first gear is ideal for instrument maintenance. The second gear is perfect for model assembly. The third gear is designed for furniture assembly, and the fourth gear is powerful enough for water and electricity installations. The one-click switch makes it simple to toggle between these modes. The DELI cordless screwdriver is equipped with a universal Type-C charging interface, so you can charge it using your phone's data cable. This feature makes it incredibly convenient and accessible. Additionally, the tool has built-in safety features, including overcurrent protection, short-circuit protection, and temperature protection, ensuring a safe and reliable user experience. The ergonomic, slim design of the screwdriver makes it comfortable to hold and easy to maneuver, even during extended use. It also comes with a built-in LED light to illuminate your work area, making it ideal for use in low-light conditions. Whether you're assembling furniture, maintaining electrical appliances, or handling water and electricity installations, the DELI 667001 cordless screwdriver is an efficient and reliable tool for all your DIY needs. Number 3. HOTO QW LSD1 Cordless Screwdriver. The HOTO QW LSD1 cordless screwdriver is a compact yet powerful tool that comes packed with features to make your DIY tasks easier. Powered by a 1500 mAh lithium battery, it offers long-lasting performance, allowing you to drive over 1,000 screws on a single charge. This tool includes 12 high-quality S2 steel bits, each made to withstand tough tasks with enhanced rust resistance due to their environmentally friendly nickel coating. The screwdriver features a unique circular LED shadowless lamp, providing ample light for dark areas, and it automatically turns off after 10 seconds to conserve battery. With 3 adjustable torque stages, you can tailor the power to suit different tasks. The first stage is perfect for delicate tasks like speaker or computer hardware assembly, while the second stage is ideal for home DIY projects like assembling bookcases. The third stage provides the highest torque for tasks like assembling skateboards or bicycles. A standout feature is the 4-stage rotary knob, which allows precise control of the torque level. This knob, combined with a built-in intelligent chip, provides a smooth, adjustable experience, ensuring you can handle various projects with ease. The screwdriver also has a safety lock mode to prevent accidental activation. With its user-friendly design, double-layered non-slip grip, and a sturdy aluminum alloy storage box for easy organization, the HOTO QW-LSD1 cordless screwdriver is a versatile and reliable tool for any toolbox. Number 2. Worx W-X242 cordless screwdriver. The Worx W-X242 cordless screwdriver is a highly versatile tool designed to meet all your DIY and home improvement needs. Equipped with a 2000 mAh USB rechargeable handle, this screwdriver offers long-lasting power, ensuring you can complete your tasks without interruption. It features a robust brushed motor that delivers consistent performance, even during prolonged use. This screwdriver offers a maximum torque range from 0.15 to 5 Nm, making it suitable for a wide variety of tasks, from light assembly to more heavy-duty fastening. It also provides 7 adjustable torque settings, allowing you to fine-tune the power based on the task at hand. The mechanical torque adjustment ensures precise positioning, which helps avoid over-tightening and protects fragile materials and screws from damage. A standout feature is the 4 LED shadowless lights that provide clear illumination of your work area, ensuring you have full visibility even in dark spaces. The light automatically turns on when you start working and shuts off 15 seconds after you release the button. The Worx WX242 also features a dual switch design to prevent accidental activation, ensuring safety during use. It includes a comprehensive 30-piece bit set, allowing you to tackle various projects with ease. The tool also offers both manual and automatic modes, giving you the flexibility to control the screwdriver as needed. With a universal Type-C charging cable, you can easily recharge the screwdriver without the need for a separate plug. Whether for home improvement, repairs, or creative crafts, the Worx WX242 is an essential tool for every DIY enthusiast. Number 1. Bosch GO 3 Electric Screwdriver. The Bosch GO 3 electric screwdriver is a highly efficient and versatile tool, perfect for both professional and home use. Powered by a 3.6-volt battery, it delivers up to 5 Nm of torque, which makes it suitable for a wide range of tasks, including cabinet installation, sports equipment maintenance, and electrical cabinet repairs. One of its key features is the adjustable torque setting with 7+1 gears, allowing you to choose between 0.1 to 5 Nm of torque. The built-in mechanical torque regulation ensures precision and prevents damage to the surfaces of objects you are working on. Additionally, the Bosch GO 3 includes a magnetic automatic chuck that is compatible with all hexagonal screwdriver bits, making bit changes quick and easy. The electric screwdriver also features intelligent LED lights that provide excellent visibility in dark areas and flash to alert you when the battery is low. You can operate the tool using 2 starting methods: thrust start, which offers smooth control for precise operations, or switch start, which is ideal for more meticulous work. The intelligent brake stop feature halts the tool immediately when the switch is released, preventing over-twisting. With a 2 Ah battery and Type-C charging port, the Bosch GO 3 offers long-lasting power and efficient charging. At a weight of just 320 grams, it is lightweight and easy to maneuver, making it an essential tool for both professional and DIY enthusiasts. There you have it, the top 5 cordless screwdrivers you should consider for 2025. Each of these tools brings something unique to the table, so choose the one that best fits your needs. Thanks for watching.